Hi, Professor. This is Madhu City. My CWID is 50301897, and my topic is on Android operating systems for smartwatches. Coming to the introduction, a smartwatch is a wearable device which has touchable screens for all the purposes. While previous models have a simple tasks like mathematical calculations, time displaying, and gaming. From 2010, smartwatches have like more features. Nearly, smartwatch is like close to the smartphone, which have applications, um, connectivity, Bluetooth, dialing. All those functionalities have that smartwatch. And some watches have media players with FM radio, audio, video files also we can access in our smartwatch only. It is also some models also called as watch phones. And coming to the history, first watch of smartwatch was developed in 1972 by Hamilton watches. They named that watch was Pulsar, and the Pulsar is created a revolution at the time of at the time at the time in the field of smartwatches, which has smart successors. And another innovation by Siaco, it is a watch was linked to a TV receiver. The top part of a standard watch features showing time and setting alarms, and um, it was released new features. And another first wireless watch is Timex Data Link. Became the very first watch capable of downloading data from computer without wire in the year of 1994. And this is the first Linux watch, which is developed in 1998 by Steve Mann. And the first smartwatch to make a calls was developed by Samsung. It created it created a total changeover for the smartwatch. It was done and developed in 1999. Coming to the features, smartwatch have simple navigations, third party complications, and app without your phones, sending messages, replying messages, Google Fit. All those are features for smartwatch. Simple navigations, smartwatch have like a simple UI. We can swipe the watch, and we can swipe up, swipe down, and all those other simple navigations. And third party complications are face IDs, fingerprints, and setup um, pin. All those are third party complications. App without your phone, we can without our phone we can simply log on to the Google Play website on our desktop. Which app we want to install, we can simply install to our watch. Google Fit. This one is this feature is like it will helpful for all the people, because this is the fit watch, yeah, for exercises, and how many it will calculate how many steps you did, and how many squats, and how many push-ups. This watch will calculate all those data, and it will monitor your exercise and health. And another feature is sending messages, replying to the messages. Once you got the message from example from WhatsApp, you will get the notification in your watch. You can simply reply without your phone, you can simply reply to that message. Coming to the goals, the goal of a smartwatch is to provide users with information in a easy way and a convenient way, and it does by connecting users smartphones and displaying notifications, calendars, replying messages, maps, like all that features, all that information in a small and a wearable screen. Coming to the platforms for smartwatch, there are so many platforms for smartwatch. All the watch companies, like most of the watch companies, are developing smartwatch, because nowadays, like, everybody likes smartwatches, and such as Google, Fossil, Fitbit, HTC, Sony. All these are comes under examples for smartwatches. Design and implementation, like to design a smartwatch, like we need so many components, like a GSM, GPS, battery, switching model, sensors. But I just mentioned one simple image which will tells us a smartwatch need to have sensors, monitor, all like motion sensors and touch sensors. All those sensors needs to be there. But here I simply mentioned one chart which will calculate our exercises and all those data, and it will send to a notification to your phone. Subcomponents and functions I already mentioned. For a smartwatch, needs to have switching unit, GPS module, GSM module, and battery. All those, like some other components are there, but these are the main components for a smartwatch. GPS module will which works on 33.3 volts supply, and it will sense current position of the user and sends automatically to your location to the microcontroller. GSM module is used for communication, and which with the help of a microphone and speaker, it will and sending messages which contains the current location of the user. Battery, it will battery for you for watch, smartwatch, like battery not only for smartwatch, for all the devices needs to have battery, but for smartwatches it has like approximately 100 mega amps is required. It will depends like on for example, Fitbit. If we take a Fitbit, it will take once it's charged, it will remains 2 days, 2 to 3 days. But if we consider for iOS, it will dead in 1 or 2 days. So that it totally depends on company battery. Cost of implementation, um, like cost of implementation is differs from company to company. um, if we take a real example, Fitbit, for implementation of Fitbit smartwatch, it will take around $100 for a single piece of smartwatch. But if we take Apple Watch, Apple smartwatch, it will take like around um, 300 to 400, 500, 600 bucks, like that. It will totally differs from company to company. Coming to the pros and cons, there are so many pros for a smartwatch. Compatibility, it is compatible for iOS to Android. You have Android watch, it is compatible for iOS devices also. You can reply and send messages, all those things you can do in your Android watch to connect to iOS phone. And fitness buddy, it will, yeah, fitness watches have like a fitness, it will calculate your fitness, how many steps you did, and how many push-ups, what's your how much weight you gained, how many calories you burnt. All those um, stuff can calculated by motion sensors, which was implemented in your smartwatch. And flexible. Smartwatch is flexible uh, for running purpose, swimming purpose, and all skating and a lot more. User friendly and cost friendly. It is user friendly. Watch is it's user friendly. You can simply you can see and simply scroll up and scroll down. You can swipe all the you can see all the applications in your watch. It's user friendly. And coming to the disadvantages, I mean cons, limited usability. Watches also have restrictions. Yeah, watch has to be in some close Bluetooth range to your phone, and bulk data can't be uploaded. Some limited usability is also there. And another main concern is privacy concern. If it will Smartwatch can collect all the data, all that card details, your personal information, all those data. It might leads to hacking. Future, coming to the future, from 2014, smartwatch have highly growth. So it has a young future. It can They can do more things um, maps, radiations, find my watch, and tracking, without phone also you can access your watches. And video playing, all those stuff can be implemented in the future. And some smartwatches don't have camera. That is also will gonna be implemented in the future. And health also, from a health point of view, heartbeat, all those stuff can be implemented in smartwatches. And another main thing is for smartwatches, current smartwatches have a very less time period of life battery. This will gonna be designed in a way they can be longer battery life. Finally, I conclude this Android smartwatches. Um, Usability studies with examine potential issues related to smartwatches. User will allow control home access through remote door security. It will gonna be like with your watch only you can access your phone. Yeah, smartwatches have from exercises, health, and sending messages, replying calls. All those can be happen through a smartwatch. Smartwatch is like nothing. Smartwatch is also called a smartphone. Yeah, we can watch as a phone watch. Thank you.